Hey, K-drama lovers! Today, we are counting down 10 K-dramas with villains that are unforgettable. These antagonists bring tension, drama, and unforgettable twists to every scene. Let's dive right in. 10. While You Were Sleeping. While You Were Sleeping is one of the best legal K-dramas that follows stars Bae Suzy and Lee Yong-suk and revolves young adults that use their ability to see into the future while dreaming to investigate crimes. The self-centered Lee Yoo-bom is willing to ruin the lives of others and does not consider nor care about how his choices impact others. Yoo-bom's selfish nature and refusal to feel remorse for his actions in juxtaposition to the protagonist's dedication to do the right thing at their own expense creates an interesting dynamic. 9. The King, Eternal Monarch. The King, Eternal Monarch is a fantasy romance drama that tells the story of Emperor Lee Gon, who discovers a mysterious portal that leads him to a parallel universe. Lee Lim is willing to do anything to get his hands on the flute, including murdering his own half-brother and the previous king in front of his son. Set in two parallel worlds, Lee Lim travels between the two worlds to hide from justice while amassing a large army. Lee Lim's selfish behavior and willingness to commit murder for his personal gain makes him a despicable villain that leaves destruction in his wake across two worlds. 8. Save Me. Save Me is a mystery thriller K-drama revolving around Im Sang-mi played by Seo Ye-ji and her family's move from Seoul to the countryside due to financial difficulties. After tragedy strikes, the grief-stricken family joins the religious cult Goseonwon, which has power over most of Muji County and a large number of followers. Disguising itself as a peaceful church, the religious cult has a dark underbelly of violence and murder lurking beneath the surface. 7. Vincenzo. Vincenzo follows a Korean-Italian mafia lawyer, Vincenzo played by Song Joong-ki, on his quest to retrieve hidden gold and take down the corrupt Babel Group, a powerful pharmaceutical corporation. This K-drama shines with its exciting story, surprising twists, passionate romance, and a truly terrifying villain. The main villain, Jung Ha-seok, first appears as a cheerful, clueless intern at Woosan law firm but soon reveals his real identity as the ruthless mastermind behind Babel Group's illegal activities. Ha-seok's switch from a friendly act to a cold, manipulative, and sadistic leader who even torments his half-brother makes him one of the most memorable and chilling villains in K-drama history. 6. Beyond Evil. Despite this, the two detectives learn to trust each other and work to catch the serial killer. The incredible detective K-drama is filled with plot twists and intrigue as the hunt for the serial killer ensues. The mild-mannered Kang Jin-mook, played by Lee Kyu-hoi, is frantic with worry after his daughter goes missing. However, in a shocking twist, it is revealed that Jin-mook is the monstrous serial killer who murdered his own daughter. Jin-mook makes for a bone-chillingly terrifying serial killer, who targets women and leaves behind their severed fingertips as a twisted calling card. 5. Hell is Other People. The horror K-drama Hell is Other People, also known as Strangers from Hell, revolves around the writer Yoon Young-woo played by Im Si-wan who moves into a cheap apartment filled with odd residents. Surrounded by suspicious residents, Young-woo finds kinship with Seo Moon-jo played by Lee Dong-wook, who appears to be a refreshingly normal resident. Moon-jo's influence over the protagonist and his creepy behavior make him the perfect villain for the psychological thriller. 4. A Bloody Lucky Day. A Bloody Lucky Day follows Oh-tak, a jolly taxi driver whose life is turned upside down when he picks up a serial killer. Trapped in a deadly ride, Tak has to use his wits to find an escape and keep himself safe and alive. The young doctor and serial killer Lee Byung-min played by Yoo Yoon-seok, disguised as Jeom Hyok-soo, terrorizes Tak and is unrepentant about his acts of violence and murders. 3. The Glory. The Glory is a hauntingly familiar tale of high school bullying and abuse and its impact. The revenge K-drama revolves around Moon Dong-yoon played by Song Hye-kyu as she plans retribution against her bullies. Park Yoon-jin, played by Lim Ji-jun, the leader of the bullies that harassed and physically abused Dong-yoon during school until she dropped out of school. Yoon-jin's resemblance to real-life bullies and her lack of guilt and shame makes her a familiar villain that many people have dealt with in their lives. 2. Voice. Voice is a police procedural thriller and action-packed K-drama following a detective and a police officer who combine efforts to find the serial killer that murdered their loved ones. Voice Season 1's antagonist, Mo Tae-gu, played by Kim Jae-wook, is the CEO of Singwon Express with a murderous streak. Mo Tae-gu uses his status as the charming CEO to hide his nature as a cold-blooded serial killer whose weapon of choice is a kettlebell. Kim Jae-wook perfectly portrays Tae-gu as the violent mastermind who meticulously plans out his murders and takes immense joy in watching people die at his hands. 1. He is psychometric. In He is Psychometric, Lee An has the power to see people's pasts through touch, which he uses to solve crimes, including the tragic fire that killed his parents. His guardian and adoptive brother, Kang Sung-mo, once saved him from that same fire. But in a shocking twist, Sung-mo is revealed as the one who started it, aiming to frame his abusive father, who had kept Sung-mo and his mother imprisoned for years. Sung-mo's actions, driven by revenge, lead to innocent deaths, making him a deeply complex villain. His bond with An makes his betrayal even more painful, as he blurs the line between justice and cruelty. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which villain chilled you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more K-drama recommendations. See you next time.